So this is the ROG Strix Scope RX optical mechanical gaming keyboard. I think it's a really interesting full-size keyboard. Of course, one of the main features is the optical mechanical switch that we'll be taking a look at today. So let's get this video started. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam and I review tech stuff. So today we'll be checking out a keyboard sent over by Asus. It's one of their gaming lineups. It's for their ROG Republic of Gamers lineup. It's the ROG Strix Scope RX optical mechanical keyboard. So a huge thanks to Asus for sending this over, and let's take a quick look at this device. So let's start by unboxing this keyboard. On the front we can see the ROG logo. ROG of course is under Asus. It stands for Republic of Gamers. Again, this keyboard is called the ROG Strix Scope RX. And a few features it has stated here on the box is it has Asus Aura Sync, where you can adjust the RGB for the keyboard in your computer. Of course, it has the QWERTY normal layout, which is US English layout on this keyboard. And one of the main features of this keyboard is the ROG RX Red optical mechanical switch, which is linear and of course very smooth. This keyboard is also water and dust resistant with the IP56 certification. Opening up the box, we can see the keyboard with its full size sitting here. It's quite a hefty keyboard. So it comes with a pack of stickers, and then you get a quick start guide and also a warranty card. Now after the unboxing, let's talk about a few things I find really interesting about this mechanical keyboard. First of all, it has shine-through keycaps which can show two of the functions. On the top here, we can see the media controls or function keys. And we have a stealth key at the F12, which is actually a pretty interesting feature. Is when you press it, it will close all audio and all tabs that you are running. On the bottom left, we can see the control key, which is not a normal key size. It's actually wider. And Asus says they did this because it's actually easier for FPS games when you want to crouch and stuff. Of course, this keyboard also comes with per key RGB lighting, which you can also sync with the Aura software and make it nice. This keyboard comes with a aluminium top cover, which feels pretty sturdy and really cold to me. That means it's metal. On the top right of the keyboard, we can see the ROG logo, which is RGB again, and you can have a few indicators for the keyboard. One pretty interesting feature this keyboard has is the USB 2.0 pass-through on the top side of the keyboard, where you can plug in pen drives or card readers and all of the stuff you want to connect to your computer with. Now let's talk about the switch included in this keyboard. So the switch that comes with the keyboard is called the ROG RX Red switch. This is a linear switch with a 4mm travel. I believe it's built by ROG themselves, and it's the world's first optical switch with a hollow square stem design. It's really consistent, and from my usage it really has no wobble, and that is the same with the stabilizers. Now these switches are super fast with a 1 millisecond response time. And these switches also have a 100 million keystroke lifespan, which pretty much gonna last you a whole 5 to 10 years if you use this keyboard normally. So far, my opinion and my impressions of this keyboard is it's a pretty nice build for a full-size keyboard, and all of the features are quite nice. Now let's move on to a keyboard enthusiast's standpoint. So for the keycaps, they are actually not changeable with other keycaps on the market because they do not use the same cherry stamp system, so they will not fit any of the aftermarket keycaps. But if you're able to find keycaps that actually fit this board, they might fit, and you have to be very careful with the fitting because some of the keys, like the control key on the left side, is not the usual size. Let's talk about the stabilizers and the switches. Now this design by ROG makes the stabilizers and switches very stable. There's literally no wobble and no pinging at all. They're one of the most stable stabilizers that I've tried before. So far, I'm really impressed with the specifications and features of this keyboard. Now let's do a quick typing test and see how it sounds. So after a few days of using this keyboard, I find that this keyboard is amazing. It's very technologically advanced with the optical switches. They sound really well and they do not wobble at all, and in my opinion, they're one of the best sounding steps I've ever used. Now, for a few stuff that I like about it, I like the build quality, I like the RGB, and some of the stuff I don't like about it, it's a little bit bulky and you can't really customize it to your liking because the switches and stabilizers are made by ROG and you can't really find third-party ones to change them to. But for the price starting at $599, I think it's a really good pick for this kind of build. If you're into mechanical keyboards, you're going to be spending around that price anyway. But if you are looking for a good optical switch and you want a good gaming experience and a really good software that supports the RGB, I would say you can definitely check out this Asus Strix Scope RX. So yeah, again, a huge thanks to Asus for sending this over for a quick unboxing and review. So if you like this video, you can leave a like. If you dislike this video, you can dislike it. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. You can hit the subscribe button down below. I have more content coming. And as always, thanks for watching. Goodbye guys.